Samsung Galaxy S20 Plus hands-on video and confirmation of 120Hz of display and ultrasonic fingerprint scanner confirmation, and more news is coming straight from XDA developers. Thanks to him for this hands-on video. So we have a lot of news to talk about the new leaks of S20 Plus. Now at least we can be 100% sure for this S20 Plus design and overall look, you can see. But before this video we have also got hands-on pictures of S20 Plus, so it has been confirmed already. But for now news is coming for ultrasonic fingerprint scanner. It was rumored that S20 series will be using an optical fingerprint scanner, but no, it is wrong. Samsung will be using ultrasonic fingerprint scanner that is considered to be the fastest fingerprint scanner in the world, and somehow Max WeinBach got these pictures of Samsung S20 Plus where we can see fingerprint setup screen is on, and he mentioned that how he can confirm Samsung will be using ultrasonic fingerprint scanner. So according to Max WeinBach, he said my source tested out fingerprint scanner and he said that in case of optical scanner fingerprint area lights up a bit, but when he tested the S20 Plus scanner it didn't light up, and that confirmed it is an ultrasonic fingerprint scanner. So you can have a look at this design again, and this is really looking pretty good. And then source also confirmed the 120Hz of refresh rate display as he shared this picture to Max, and we can clearly see that 120Hz and 60Hz. Now great thing, some rumors were saying Samsung will be cancelling the 2K 120Hz refresh rate, but now it is 101% confirmed Samsung won't be doing that. It will absolutely having 120Hz of refresh rate, and it is really good to see Samsung with OLED panel will be using the 120Hz refresh rate, and it will be the first Samsung phone to have this 120Hz of refresh rate display. But here is a problem that Samsung is giving ups and down here. Yes, source confirmed that S20 Plus could enable 120Hz option with just full HD plus resolution, not with wide quad HD plus resolution. Well, this is some kind of dull thing. Samsung is not doing good at this, and wide quad HD plus resolution will be available with just 60Hz of refresh rate option. So at one side we have higher resolution with lower refresh rate, and on the other side we have lower resolution with higher refresh rate. But yeah, full HD plus resolution is also not a bad thing. 1080p could be enough too, but W quad HD plus is just awesome. It is hitting the boundaries, but Samsung is not doing that. But it is enough that Samsung has finally developed their first phone with 120Hz display. So thank you again Samsung for that. So here again you can have a look at Samsung S20 Plus 5G hands-on video. It is fully amazing. You can see there is no irregularity between the camera array at backside, because rumors were claiming before this video that Samsung will be arranging the camera at the backside in irregular pattern. So that rumors are really wrong. And also Samsung has ditched the headphone jack in S20 series. That's a really big down point for Samsung. So you have to use an AKG USB Type-C earbud or a dongle like cables. And here you can see that Samsung S20 Plus and S10 Plus are placed side by side. On the right side we have S20 Plus and at left we have S10 Plus. And this is a huge display ever Samsung has made for smartphones. So we will be getting a massive display size with 20:9 aspect ratio. Along with that, some leaked pictures confirms that 11GB of RAM in S20 Plus, which is advertised as 12GB, and it is LPDDR5 RAM. So a highest speed of RAM we will be getting, and processor is absolutely going to be the latest one from Snapdragon, the Snapdragon 865, and 128 gigs of internal with 4500 milliamps of battery. That becomes a total of 4370 almost. So Samsung S20 looks an amazing device. Hope so we will be getting some more hands-on videos and pictures of this before the launch event that is happening on 11th February 2020. And maybe Samsung will also be releasing their Samsung Galaxy Z Flip, that is the second foldable smartphone from Samsung, on that event. Till that, stay connected for more interesting videos, and I'll catch you guys in the next one.